everything heals. Your body heals, your heart heals, the mind heals, wounds heal, your soul repairs itself. Your happiness is always going to come back. This master internal process of the heart and soul of healing, why does it get blocked? What causes it to get blocked? And what can you do about it when you find that it is blocked? The big mind under the hood, who's designed the entire system and makes it run, who monitors every part of your body and sends signals back out to keep them in balance and harmony, is the self-organizing principle of healing in the system. It's the same system that was there from the very beginning. It's the same system that knows how to grow your body out of 2 cells and differentiate it into what you are. Grow you from 2 cells into a fetus and pop that fetus out and become you as you are now as an adult. Whoever you think you are as an adult, deep down under the hood, you are still this person that woke up in the void in the womb for the very first time, before thought and before language, and had a sense of, here I am. Where am I? Who am I? Without words. This evolutionary growth of the fetus as the brain and the nervous system begin to form themselves and differentiate all these different little parts that grow out. Who's doing that? Who's making all this stuff happen? It's mind-blowing.